Hello, I am Aditi. The question is, while using the phrase like a cuttlefish squirting ink, Orwell is referring to. The correct solution is option number 4. They pretend that their declared aim is same as their real aim. Option number 1. The long words used by the writers is irrelevant over here because this is not what Orwell is trying to put across. Option number 2. Their style of writing which exhausts idioms. Although writers use idioms and long words, this is again not what Orwell is referring to. Option number 3. Their adaptation to the new vocabularism is absolutely incorrect because the theory of new vocabularism was actually propounded by Thurber and not Orwell. Hence, option number 3 also becomes wrong. Option 4 is the right answer because by saying like a cuttlefish squirting ink, Orwell is trying to say that the pretense of the authors that their declared aim is same as their real aim has been put across over here. Therefore, the solution is option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Aditi. The question is, the author feels that the worst liars in the world may consider themselves sincere because the correct solution is option number 2. They may not be consciously aware of their own real intentions. This is the best answer and taken directly from the last paragraph. Let us see. It clearly states that real aims, we must understand, are not necessarily conscious ones. The worst liars in the world may consider themselves sincere. That is so because they are not consciously aware of their own real intentions. Option number 1, insincerity has become a second nature to them, is irrelevant. Option 3, they are proficient in the art of lying to themselves, again incorrect. And option 4, with time you fail to distinguish between sincerity and insincerity, is again incorrect because it is nowhere in the purview of the passage. Therefore, the correct solution is option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.